How has TMR affected the way I do therapy and my perspective of therapy and my practices? Well, it has been nothing short of transformational. When I first went to my first TMR course, and simply, honestly, I went because it was a 45-minute drive from my house and I needed the continuing education credits in order to renew my license. I didn't expect anything coming out of it. And to be perfectly honest, when Tom started off the course by saying everything you've ever done in physical therapy, throw it out the window, I want to retrain you, I just rolled my eyes and started tuning him out until we started doing some of the movements and activities in the class. Since then, I've been sold. Did not take long for me to start applying this. As I was driving back on Sunday night to my home, I started thinking I can't start using these techniques on the clients that I currently have, because if I do, it's going to be about 180 degrees opposite of what I've been doing to them, and they would think that I was mistreating them all along should this stuff work. And so what I did was I waited for the first new patient to come into my clinic and only did a TMR assessment and treatment, and it was nothing short of a miraculous recovery right before my eyes. It was literally a 16-year-old student who supposedly had a quad tendon tear, was told he couldn't play soccer for 6 to 8 weeks, and was running around within 10 minutes of doing 2 simple exercises. It was one of those jaw droppings, what the heck just happened? I remember calling Tom immediately afterwards, and all he did was giggle and just said, welcome to my world. Have had many of those over the last 10 to 12 years since taking the courses, and I highly, highly recommend it to anybody, no matter what focus your practice is on. I am the biggest skeptic, cynic, critic that there can be. I probably drove Tom nuts with all the questions that I asked him during the course, and he graciously answered, did not get frustrated with me, and stuck with me, and has become a good friend ever since. But I got to tell you, TMR has totally revolutionized the way I treat people, as well as the way I treat my clients. And I'm now able to treat people online and get phenomenal results and teach people how to take care of themselves so that they don't need me. Anyway, if you're considering, if you're on the fence, take it from someone who's been a PT nearly 30 years now, that it has been the most incredible course I've ever taken, and I've taken a lot of McConnell courses, I've taken all these Australian courses, I've taken strain, counter strain, I've taken shoulder courses, knee courses, so many courses over my 29 years just as of necessity and wanting to learn, but this has been by far the most incredible technique that I have ever come across, and I use it on 99.99999% of my clients. Actually, it's rare that I don't use it on a client. So hope this helps you, and hey, you have nothing to lose.